Hi, this is Luton Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2004 Nissan 350Z, stock number 7308. It's run from the 12th 2002 to 10th 2005. There's a VQ35DE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a VQ35DE 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard, one dent. Left front aftermarket 19-inch real good tyre. Left bonnet, left hand door mirror. Left front door has wobbles. Left rear 19-inch aftermarket real good tyre. Rear boot lid, spoiler. One dent in the corner. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch aftermarket real good tyre. Right front door, 2 dents and wobbles. Right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish. Right front 19-inch aftermarket real good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch. Center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls. Front gauges, interior mirror, front courtesy light. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.